There we go. Got a bit of rain. Oh, there's someone with their dog.
Oh gosh.
Oh, and that tree fell down. He's getting wet. At least he's got a raincoat and stuff. Oh, there's people here now.
There's people that are trying to cross the bridge.
Well, my mud's gonna be washed off.
Some good pictures.
Yeah. Wow. I just have the wipers going like this so the camera can actually see what's going on, kind of. We've got some more shack. Now we're jeeping. Look at that river running down here. It's raining so much, the Black River roads turn to the river. Bloody crikey. And yes, I'm purposely driving through all the water. Yes. It's like we're in Jurassic Park. There it is. Oh, I gotta hit this.
Get the roof on.
Yeah, can you imagine this with the roof still open? Oh, bloody bugger. Yeah, hold on. It's a little bumpy. Good. Oh. Glad I got these fog lights. Or auxiliary beams. We came at the perfect time though. We just got all the glitz of the sunshine and rain for the way back. Remember I said I wish there was more puddles? They're here now. There they are. Now at least the oncoming traffic will see me coming, so they'll see beams of yellow. What the heck is that? Oh, it's a Jeep. Figured. Bloody crikey! Are in the fucking savannah now? Pardon my language. In first gear. There we go. What do you think, Doug? He's just having a nap in the back. What's he got? I'm like, I can't see there for a second. Like, better slow down.
Into a tree.
Yeah, don't want to do that. Actually, it'll be an excuse, can it? Nope, not gonna say it. Hang on. I love this vehicle. It's so much fun. I know all you Tacoma people out there have something else to say about it. But that's okay. Crikey. Can't stop that Australian accent. Normal voice, normal voice. Hang on there, Mika. Ah, there. Yes.
Got your wish for puddles, that's for sure.
Nature has answered my wishes. Like, you want puddles? I'll give you puddles. I'll give you all of the puddles. Need mad holes and ditches. Need little shats. Alright. Let's get serious. Get your Clint Eastwood faces going. Feeling lucky. A little bit, actually. Some of that fucking light on there. Gonna get all around the road. Woo! Got wheel spin. Imagine it wasn't recording. Oh, well, that was a waste of time. No, not really. It's still fun. Still having a blast. Oh no, look at this little mo. That was a bit of a hard one. Here. Ooh, there's a lightning crack. Thunder any second. Down here. There it is. Oh yeah. Yeah. Nothing but a thumbs up situation here.
Do an Australian version.
Nothing but a thumbs up situation here. No, it doesn't really work.
Yeah.
Sky's the limit, space is the place. Fire away. Oof, oof, oof. Oh, look at this. It's a river. Yeah. That was a daisy. Shazoo! Shazooing all over the place. That was a good water holder in there. I like that. Oh, how deep is this? Not bad. Shazoo! Gonna shazoo again. Shazoo! Oh yeah, we still got mud on her. We're good. Oh, my dog tags got all dark and twisty. Oh, that was a big frog, dude. You see that?
Yeah.
That was a fat one. Oh, he's hot, fat Tara. Oh, look at this. Look at that view. Can't do that. Trademark. Using someone else's. Yeah. Yeah! Yeah! Property. Apparently. Someone owns that. Made all bum fuck now, eh? Oh, that was good. That was a good little crack. Oh, lightning. Charlie just still laying down, being a good little boy that he is. Good dog. Oh, it's pretty much just flat now. All the fun stuff's gone. It's all behind us. Ooh. Just ripping, tearing, snorting, and swearing. But not around the corners. Let's be somewhat responsible. This looks like a horror movie. Or like something out of Lord of the Rings. Camera doesn't really justify it. It doesn't look like that on camera. But in real life, in person. Yeah, there's a little puddle going it. Yeah, there it is. You can't not. Probably put those to a minimum now. Yep. That looks like one of those really tiny but deep holes. You feel that in a straight axle. Mostly on your side. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Those rapid little bumps are a Jeep Wrangler's nemesis. Like. We're going for it. That was just necessary. You held on.
I did.
Ah, oh, another one. Get it, get it, get it. We got it. Get it? Oh, we got that one. There's no doubt about that. Now the paddles. Oh, that was a good crack of thunder.
Yeah.
Ah, I can't see. Shit. Crikey. That was fun, though. Nothing like some temporary blindness while you're driving. To really get the adrenaline pumping. It's fine. Everything's good. It's getting a lot of the mud off, unfortunately. I'll have to put some on later. That never gets old. It's fun when you're 5 years old, and it's fun when you're in your 30s.
Unless you drive a Tesla.
Yeah, Tesla wouldn't make it out here. We'd be out of juice, stranded, dead, thing on fire. Oh, it's gonna be a ripper. Rip it! Shazoo! We got her. But it also just means lots of mosquitoes and horseflies and deer flies.
Frogs even.
Yeah, that's probably why the frogs are thriving over here. Give them something to look at. Would you look at all of that? It's pretty nice, right? Anyways, that's all you see. Moving on, bud. Oh yeah. We are moving on in a hurry, that's for sure. Shazoo! Alright, we're done. Another good thing of lightning. Get out, crack. Oh, there it is. I wonder where all the animals went. Charlie's like, I'm still here. And I'm still adorable, aren't ya? His name is Charlie, and he eats sticks. And peas on trees. Don't ya? Absolutely. wants to bury lacrosse t-shirt. You can buy property right here. Buy this bush. Oh, I guess that's her driveway. Time to rip it. Hold on to your hat. There's a turn coming up. Let's just in case. Like that guy walking his dog. Remember that old saying in like the early 2000s, late 90s? Let's not say we did. Everyone said that. I was gonna say, what's down there? But then I saw the no trespassing signs and figured, best not. I don't want my Jeep all buckshotted. Or birdshot. Just enough to chip the paint. Got it. Brown water. Let's get all that up here. Oh yeah. Really feeling those 2 cappuccinos from this morning. Yeah, that's probably someone's property.
Yeah.
We'll hit one more puddle and then end it. This one. Shazoo! That was fun. Nothing like doing a donut on a trail, not public roads. Ignore that stop sign, that's for snowmobiles. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.